You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of these delicious pastries from Spanish? They exist in Spain, but also Mexico, Latin America. This is essentially the Spanish word for donuts, or beignet in French. If you want to learn more cooking term, make sure to stay tuned. So Spanish pronunciation, also Mexican. Buñuelos. Let's break it down. Bu, ñue, los. The stress is on the ñue syllable. Essentially, let's listen carefully again. Buñuelos. Buñuelos. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.